Hey, what's up YouTube, SNY Tech HD here back with another video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to clean your dirty AirPods without using any liquids. So let's get started. So before cleaning you will need your AirPods of course, and also a silicone cloth and definitely an eraser. Yes, you will need an eraser, and also lastly toothpicks. So you can see the before and after pics after I have cleaned my AirPods, and I did not use any liquids or any sort of liquids at all. Because if you're going to surf the internet, it's going to show you that you will need an alcohol or nail polish remover or liquid or any sort of liquid. So before starting, you will need to use your toothpick to remove any hard dirt that is present on your AirPods. These AirPods are almost 1.5 years old. These are my friend's AirPods. They are pretty dirty because they have not been managed properly. So I'm just going to use these AirPods for the tutorial. So start by using a toothpick to remove all the hard dirt that is stuck on the AirPods case. Slowly start by removing them, making sure that you don't scratch your AirPods. And definitely AirPods are not waterproof nor water resistant. So using liquids on the AirPods is definitely something risky that you might not want to try. So this is a method that I found because I did not want to use liquids on the AirPods. So I just used an eraser, which I'll be showing you in this video later. Also, if you take your AirPod, you're going to see that there's going to be a lot of earwax on the AirPod itself. So make sure you slowly remove it using the toothpick, and at the same time make sure you don't damage the outer net that is present in the AirPod. So as you can see that using a toothpick you could remove around 10% of the hard dirt that is present. So next main thing we're gonna do is using an eraser to clean. So start by erasing the AirPod case from outside. Follow like I'm doing it in the video. Make sure you erase the AirPod around the whole case and not miss any parts. And obviously if you're going to use an eraser, it's gonna definitely remove a lot of dirt that even the liquids are not able to remove, and the glossiness of the AirPods is definitely going to lessen because of this. But definitely the AirPods are gonna look much newer. So cleaning the outside the case with the eraser was easy, but cleaning the inside of the case is the toughest part. So I suggest you to do as I'm doing it in the video. This is definitely going to take a lot of time. This took me almost an hour to clean a 1.5-year-old AirPods, but if your AirPods are well maintained and it's pretty clean enough, then it's not going to take a lot of time like it did for me. So you can watch the video as I fast forward the process. And if there is anything, you can definitely mention in the comment below, and as soon as I see your comment I will definitely reply as fast as I can. So watch the video and I'll be right back. So here are the pics that I took after I was done with the cleaning. So it definitely took me around an hour to clean, but you can see that the AirPods are definitely worth doing it with an eraser without using any liquids. It literally changed the game overall. So I could say that I cleaned around 85% of the dirt that was present on the AirPods. So definitely you can use this method. I found this because I had dirt on my AirPods and I wanted to clean it because I didn't want to use liquids on my AirPods. I didn't want to risk my AirPods. I instead found a way, which is I used an eraser to clean, and voila, it was way amazing than I thought. So thank you for watching my video guys. Thumbs up if my video helped. Subscribe for more tech videos, and do visit my channel youtube.com/SNYTechHD, and I'll see you in the next one.